Welcome back to our channel. This is Vtells. So for today's video, I am with my sister, Jamaica. And we are going to do a glow up makeup challenge for 2021. So this is part of the Yesstyle campaign. And first of all, we want to thank Yesstyle for sending these. Ayan. So, let's start. So, as you can see guys, there's no makeup on her face. So, first, we're going to use the Misa Magic Cushion Cover Lasting number 21 Light Beige new version. So, here it is. Okay. Are you excited or nervous? A little bit nervous. Okay. This is how it looks like. I used it earlier because I tried it. This is so nice. Really.
Wow. So cute, oh. Ganda.
Okay, close your eyes. Disclaimer lang guys, I am not a professional makeup artist, so I will show you how I do our makeup, especially during occasions or during her performance tasks. You know the drill. White. Wow. As you can see, her face looks moisturized even after applying this. So that's what I love about this product.
And mabango siya.
Yeah. Mayaman. Then next, the Eclipse Blur Powder Pack in the shade of number 13. So this is how it looks like.
So elegant, guys.
So elegant. Look. After this, pwede ka nang pumalit kay Snow White. Okay. And we're done. Next, we will do her eyes using these Corinco Shabam Shabam Eyeshadow Palette number 3 Aurora Night. So at first, I thought there's no outside packaging for this one, but it definitely does. Ta-da! Okay. And that's how it looks like. So personally, for this palette, I love to use these. Okay, we will try it for her. Later, I will show you my finished product. Feels like I'm drawing on a canvas. Okay. I hope you can see it. And then, I will top it up with this glittery color. Because we has that Korean vibe. They're all. Ayan. Pak! As I told you guys, I am not professional about this, but I'm trying my best to make her look more beautiful. For the blush, I will be using Nichido True Color Collection Powder Blush in the shade of Tomato. Disclaimer lang guys, this is not from Yesstyle, but I actually love this blush. I will make you look like Nayon. Fresh na fresh. You look so white.
Yeah.
Let's add a bit blush. Ta-da! And then, for her lipstick, we're going to use the water tint from Yesstyle also, in the shade of Rose. Oh, you can see it. Yeah, okay. This is a bit bright red, like you can see on my lips. Let's try it if it's her also. Oh, it's too red.
Lasa siyang bubble gum.
Tastes like bubble gum, and it smells also like bubble gum.
Yeah, right.
Wow! Looks so nice. Then, finally touch. I'm gonna use this Vivid Studios Cheek Flash Highlighter number 3 Gold Play. So this is also from Yesstyle, but not part of this package. But I really, really love this. Apply it like this. Perfect. A bit like this at the top. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Wow, that's so awesome. And now we're done. So, let me show you the close-up finished product of her look. And that's it for today's video. So, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and comment down your suggestions for our next vlog. Good. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!